Hello folks, here we show the use of spread spectrum. So the input digital signal is in the form of a random integer, which is again given to a BPSK modulator, and then part of the signal is given to a BPSK spread spectrum modulator. Both are multiplied using a multiplier, and then we take complex to real imaginary part to see the spread spectrum part, and then we can see the spread spectrum in the frequency domain. Now what we do is recover it back by multiplying it with another multiplier signal. Then we do a BPSK demodulator to get the recovered waveform. So if you want to really run this, you run the simulation. So what you can see is you can see the input binary spectrum, the BPSK spectrum and the recovered spectrum respectively. So if you actually auto scale this, so you can get the input spectrum, the BPSK spectrum and the recovered spectrum. And if you really see the waveform in the time domain, this is the actual binary signal which is being sent, but the moment you actually see this signal which is spread, the signal is so spread that you just can't find out what is really happening to the waveform. So now if I look at the spectrum, spread spectrum, it looks is so complicated that you just can't find out what was the binary signal. Now if you really look at the demodulated signal, you can again get back the same output waveform. Thank you folks.